Hello and welcome to my video. In this video we going to learn how to extract sitemap links into Excel using 3 easy methods. Let's start. Method 1. Go to Data. Click on From Web. Paste XML sitemap URL. Press OK. Select default level and press Connect button. Click on URL. Press Load button. We easily extract links and other details from URL to Excel using method 1. Method 2. Load sitemap URL in your browser. Right-click in Browser. Select Save As. Press Save button. Go to Get Data. From File. From XML. Select File. Press Open button. Click on URL. Press Load button. Great! We easily extract links and other details from URL to Excel using method 2. Method 3. Load https://raphammon.co/tools/xml-extract in your browser. Paste URL and press Run Report button. Press Ctrl+A to select all. Then Ctrl+C to copy all data. Paste into Excel. Delete unnecessary rows. We successfully extracted links and other details using method 3. That's all for now. Keep watching our videos for more tips and tricks. Please subscribe and like our video.